Lower your loaded ping. This is how you do it. Open your browser. Log into your router in your browser. Find QoS, or in my scenario, it's under Gear Accelerator. And you're going to get into QoS, quality of service. You can either adaptive and hit games, priority games, or one of the better ways is old school, is a bandwidth limiter. Cut it in half, because you're going to use, instead of full bandwidth, you're going to be able to cut it in half, and where your network is not taking full blown hit and losing packets. For example, if your upload's 40 megabit up, set your upload bandwidth to 20, and that's vice versa with your download. If your download's 500, try 250. If it's still good, move up. If it gets worse, move back down. Same thing. It's a great starting point, that is already built in. You don't have to pay for it. It's already in there. So make sure to follow for more tips and tricks.